The National Weather Service in Miami has issued a tornado warning for southern Collier County in South Florida, mainland Monroe County in South Florida, until 6:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:45 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, the National Weather Service in Miami has issued a tornado warning for destructive winds in excess of 115 miles per hour in the Eyewall and inner rain bands of major Hurricane Wilma. The easternmost Eyewall, the most intense part of Wilma, will move ashore from Naples south to Cape Sable between 5 a.m. and 5:30 a.m. as Hurricane Wilma moves northeast around 20 miles per hour. Winds of 115 miles per hour or greater will blast this area and then spread inland mainly across areas south of Alligator Alley. Winds northeast of Alligator Alley are expected to be mostly in the Category 2 range along the path of the Eyewall as the center of Hurricane Wilma moves ashore around 6 to 7 a.m. Light winds near the center of the Eyewall will last for about an hour or two, followed by a sudden increase in destructive winds from the opposite direction as the hurricane accelerates northeast. Persons in the path of the Eyewall and I are advised to remain in sheltered areas during this time. If you must venture out during the calm of the eye to make temporary repairs, be prepared to move back to safety very quickly. The highest storm surge as high as 13 to 18 feet will inundate large areas south of Marco Island. Take advantage of the earliest opportunity to move to a place of relative safety like a second or third story room on the lee side of the wind as the storm surge moves across the island.